In this video, we are going to be using ChatGPT to write an essay, presumably for Harvard, and it's going to be from 500 to 700 words, and on the topic of startup ecosystem in Silicon Valley. Let's check how good the output's going to be. I should say it is writing it pretty quick, so that will save you at least an evening that you can sort of spend otherwise doing essay. I don't know how the quality is going to be. Is it up to the Harvard standards? But you can proofread it later. It's definitely going to save you a lot of time. And it's still on the topic, however generic the statements in this essay might be. So long story short, you can use ChatGPT for writing essays on the given topic, and with the further proofreading and enhancing the essay with your own facts, this can be a very good outcome. But I should warn you that a lot of people are using ChatGPT to write essays, and now there is a huge debate of whether this ChatGPT should be banned completely in the academic environment.